Hello guys, welcome to episode 1 of my new series called Camping with an LMG. Today we're playing on Prison Break Team Deathmatch. Let's see how many kills we can get with the target finder on the LSAT with the silencer. It also has a foregrip, had to check that. Now, let's begin. This is going to be a pretty good series, hopefully. I'm expecting a lot of hate and love at the same time. Hate because I'm camping with an LMG, and love because I'm camping with an LMG. I will give you strategies and tips on how to camp with an LMG. First things first, go prone or crouch behind some cover. Hold down your sights and just wait for someone to appear orange outlined on your target finder. But you all know, haha, it's not a target finder. It's a tracker site. Well, this is the same as Black Ops 2. Camping with an LMG. Oh, I got sniped while camping with an LMG. Let's see if we can kill him with my LMG. He's dead because he was not camping with an LMG. Oh, he wasn't dead because he was camping with a VKS. Now, let's try to hurry into... Oh, that was a teammate. While camping with an LMG, you must have great reaction speed. Because if someone's shooting you from behind, you can easily turn around and get that kill. Because you have an LMG. Let's go. After this, I will show you the class setup for a good way to camp with an LMG. A silencer is key. The LMG is the most important part of the camping with an LMG class. Ooh, he sniped me. He's camping with a VKS. Yes. I don't know. Oh, he just died because he was camping with an VKS, not an LMG. Ooh, headshot. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. He's camping with the LMG. Hey, he's stealing my idea. This means war. Battle of the campers with LMGs. Begin! Round 1. Let's see if I can wrap around and get this kill. I'm gonna throw a canister bomb down there and get that kill. I blew up his IED. Now, I do not want to camp here. The other key point with camping with an LMG is to make sure you find a good spot with lots of cover and it's really hard to see where you are. That is a good way to camp with an LMG. On Prison Break, this is one of my favorite spots because you can see people through the construction yard, and if someone runs behind you, you have enough cover and time to react. See? That is what I'm talking about. Now let's check construction one last time. Oop, we have a customer. But I think someone's behind me. No. Well, your customer hasn't made an appearance, and as you know, I'm camping with an LMG. Rule number 1, do not run out in the open with an LMG.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
Look at that, camping with an LMG. Proved successful, yet again. Let's check construction, as I think Stumps is very covered. Have a teammate covering my back. And my teammate just left me. As you know, I'm camping with an LMG, so I do not... Ooh, he killed me. He knew where I was from the last time. But as you know, I had a 4 kill streak, so that proved quite good as a camping spot. Let's try to go prone right here. It's not a very good spot because there's minimal coverage. But you can easily see people pop their heads out in the open. And you can see feet. And feet is good to shoot. Now we play the waiting game. With action like this, I can go eat a burrito.
We're winning this fight.
Because I'm camping with an LMG. There's someone back here. Maybe I should get a kill with an LMG. Two-Face X. Oh, they're on stumps. This is perfect. Now I can get back in my other favorite spot off of spawn. And we can camp all day with this LMG. There is one. I
Enemy
killed him.
SATCOM spotted.
They're coming off of construction and also off stumps. He won't kill me. I got an assist. My canister bomb failed. Maybe he was already dead. I see your head. Yes, oh my is the correct response. As you can see, camping with an LMG causes so much rage to your opponent. He tried to kill me, but I have an LMG. Ooh, thank you, sir, for making yourself wide out in the open. A sentry gun is very viable when you're camping with an LMG.
Nice work, team. Well done.
As you can see, I went 15-4. Camping with an LMG is a very great skill that most people need to learn. Yes, it was you actually who killed me 4 times. I will see you guys all later. And also, pause the video if you need to see my camping with an LMG setup. It is very elite, and that combo is very much needed. See you all later. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.